Have you ever seen those beautiful swirling patterns on paper that look like they belong in a dream? Then you have glimpsed the magic of EBRU art. In today's video, let's take a journey into one of Turkey's most beautiful and ancient art forms, EBRU. EBRU has been around for centuries, and while its exact origins are a bit mysterious, we know that similar techniques were first seen in 8th century China. From there, it traveled through Japan, Central Asia, Iran, and Anatolia, picking up influences from different cultures along the way. By the time it reached Turkiye, EBRU had evolved into the vibrant and intricate art form that it is today. This unique art creates colorful patterns by sprinkling and brushing pigments onto a pan of oily water. These mesmerizing designs are then carefully transferred onto paper. We are here in Sultanahmet and we're taking you with us to this EBRU art studio. So we're going to be showing you all the techniques, the materials that are used, why is it very special in Turkish culture, and why you should also try it. Mr. Coşkun is a master of EBRU art from Istanbul, and today he has welcomed us into his cozy studio to share everything about this beautiful craft. With over 26 years of experience, we are truly honored and excited to be here with him. EBRU artists spent years perfecting the art of creating the right dyes, using natural pigments like soil, indigo, ochre, and even gold to add a touch of shimmer. These natural colors are mixed with a few drops of ox gall, which is a substance made from cow bile. The ox gall helps the colors spread across the surface of the liquid without sinking or blending together. Once ready, the colors are sprinkled or brushed onto a thickened liquid where they float, forming intricate patterns. Other important tools used in EBRU art include trays. These hold the liquid for EBRU making and are usually made of steel. Horsehair brushes, used to sprinkle the colors onto the liquid. Combs, used to create special patterns like bouquet, peacocks, or scallops. Awls, made from nails or needles in various sizes. These help drop colors into the water and shape them. They are typically made of stainless steel. So, how does it work? Imagine this. You start with a tray filled with water that's been thickened with a special oily substance. Then, using the horsehair brushes, you softly sprinkle and swirl colorful pigments onto the water surface. Every drop of color creates a ripple effect, blending and dancing across the water. It's like watching a live painting right in front of your eyes. But the magic doesn't stop there. Once you have created your own masterpiece on the water, you gently lay a sheet of paper on top, then putting softly your hands on top to help transferring the pattern onto it. But do you know what's the most fascinating thing of this art? No two pieces are ever the same. Each one is as unique as a fingerprint. Wow, everything is printed here. Wow. As they have an expression in Turkish, mashallah. This is so beautiful. This is beautiful, really. As you can see here, everything is already here on the paper. After seeing Mr. Coşkun's incredible art, he invited me to unleash my creativity and make my own EBRU piece. I have to say, I never imagined this art could be this relaxing. With his guidance, I managed to create something beautiful. It's amazing to watch the colors and unique patterns come together. We chose to create a tulip, which is a symbol that's deeply rooted in Turkish culture and often found in various arts, ornaments, and textiles. For a complete beginner like me, I think my EBRU art turned out pretty well. It shows that anyone can do it, no prior experience needed. Now, we are learning some basic patterns using an awl and a comb, followed by more gorgeous tulips.
Ta 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 ta.
Yes! Yes! I can see the tulips. Look at them! Look at them. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
As you see, when you're gonna put this in a frame, it became wonderful.
Absolutely.
Art.
And what a great souvenir from Turkey,
Look
right?
at that. See, when you're gonna put this
Here.
in a frame, it became wonderful art piece.
It's wonderful, really. And there is something interesting as well. For example, you are taking the paper, but at the same time, it's rubbing with this. My logic would have told me just to lift it without rubbing it anywhere. That is so interesting.
Because of the resin.
Of the rest.
Because it is sticky.
Wow. In Turkey, Ebru is more than just a pretty art form. For centuries, Ebru was even used to decorate the covers of important manuscripts and books, adding a touch of elegance to the written word. The earliest examples created in the Ottoman Empire date back to the early 1500s and are found in the collections inside the Topkapi Palace. So next time you come across one of those stunning marble patterns, take a moment to appreciate the centuries of history and craftsmanship behind it. And if you ever get the chance to try Ebru for yourself, don't hesitate. It's an experience that will leave you in awe of the beauty that can be created with just water, color, and a little bit of magic. Mr. Josh Kuhn is also an expert in calligraphy. He's creating a stunning piece with the names Mexico, my country, and the city I live now, Istanbul. Joshua, I would like to thank you so much for your time, for receiving us, and for showing our audience the amazing art that you do.
So thank you very much. I'm honored. If you're happy, I'm happy. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. And if any of you is interested in coming here and try this beautiful Ebru art, and also in case that you want to book it, we will be leaving the description in the description box and pin comment the link for you to book it through remindertour.com as well. And also just a little reminder as well, don't forget that for the guests coming here, he's going to give you a little gift like this one. It could be your name, anything that you tell him to write in calligraphy. So you can take this back home with you.
And for me, it took just a second, but for them, it's gonna be forever.
As well, your Ebru art that you made during the workshop, of course you are going to be able to take it back home. And as you could see, he took only a few minutes to do it, but it will stay in your house all your life. So you can take this one back home. What a better souvenir from Turkey than this. You will definitely love it. So if you enjoyed this video and learned a little bit more about the Turkish culture, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up to this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this about Turkish culture, Istanbul, and in general Turkey. See you next time. Bye bye.